In this session, let us learn about Python MongoDB delete. To delete one document, we use delete_1 method. The first parameter of the delete_1 method is a query object defining which documents to delete. Note, if the query finds more than one document, only the first occurrence is deleted. See, delete the document with the address Mangalore 18. See here, Mangalore 18 was deleted from here. Delete many documents. To delete more than one document, use the delete_many method. The first parameter of the delete_many method is a query object defining which documents to delete. Delete all documents where the address starts with the letter S. See here, enter the documents with the name S were deleted. There are two documents deleted. Delete all documents in a collection. To delete all documents in a collection, pass an empty query object to the delete_many method. See, this is the empty query, nothing is there inside the flower brackets. So, entire documents were deleted. Okay friends, this is the end of part 8 Python MongoDB delete. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python MongoDB drop collection. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.